add color to a mediocre sketch. So first you need a mediocre sketch. So I did this yesterday, and it's definitely mediocre. That's my color palette, if anyone's curious. Okay, so start adding colors. Don't really worry about color match, because why? If it looks like a pear when we're done, that's I call that a win. So the towels was kind of a secondary consideration. I was not accurately depicting the towel, but hopefully it'll look like a towel. And there's some practice towels I did, single tone. Anyway, here I'm putting water on the center area where the highlight is, blotting it up, hoping to get a shimmering luminescent highlight, which I don't know if that actually worked. Anyway, then the next thing was try to add some bold tones and give it a richness and depth, and I don't know if that worked either, but anyway, I was having a lot of fun, I gotta say. And so try to fix up the towel a little bit, and put the base of the pear in there, and then try to get a background, because we want a white plain background, and there it is.